I bet you didn't know that tiny pellets could change your life. Curious? Let's dive in. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, with pellets is like giving your body a VIP pass to wellness. These tiny, rice-sized pellets are packed with hormones that your body naturally produces. They're implanted just under the skin, slowly releasing the hormones you need over time. Why pellets, you ask? Well, they provide consistent hormone levels. No daily pills or messy creams. Imagine having more energy, better mood, and improved mental clarity all day, every day. But wait, there's more. HRT pellets can also help with muscle mass and bone density. That means stronger muscles and healthier bones as you age. Plus, they can be tailored specifically for you, ensuring your body gets exactly what it needs. And let's not forget about the convenience. You only need to get them replaced every few months. That's it. So if you're looking to feel revitalized and live your best life, HRT pellets might just be your secret weapon. Talk to your healthcare provider and see if it's right for you. Stay healthy, stay energized. See you next time